I on time like.
Great afternoon, family. It's Lambo here, and today I want to talk about how to search for topics on YouTube and get a script so you don't even have to think about what to say. Let's get into it. All right. So the first thing that you want to do is understand the niche that you are a part of. Right. For most of you here, you're in the personal development, self-care niche. So let's say you wanted to make a YouTube video and you wanted to talk about meditation, but you don't really know what to say. So this is what we're going to do. First thing we're going to do is identify what type of video that we're wanting to make ourselves and put on our YouTube channel. So how we're going to do that, we're going to come up here to the search bar on YouTube. We're just going to type in how to meditate. Okay. Now we get lots of videos here that teaches you basically how to meditate, right? What I like to do is look for any video that has a lot of views, all right? So as we can see here, 4 years ago, this got 5 million views, 4 years, 1.4, 2 years, 3.3. So you can actually model any one of these videos that you see, but what I wanna do is I wanna narrow down who made a video in the past month that's getting a lot of views, okay? Because this is going to help rank my video a little bit better if I see someone that's already making a video that's getting a lot of views and they're doing it very quickly. So how we're going to identify this type of video is we're going to go to the filters that you see here on screen, and we're just going to click, okay? Now it's going to say upload date, all right? I want to click the upload date, and let's just go this month. And let's look at videos here of anyone that has a lot of views in that particular period of time. And sometimes you'll run across this where you only see about 7 views, 8 views, 1 view, no views, 266, 45. So if you don't find a video that you can model within that one time frame, okay, within a month, you can just scroll back up to the top, go back to your filters, and click this year. Okay, now we get a little more results. Okay, so this video from this young man here, 22,000 views 10 months ago. But this video, 12,000 views 1 month ago, 28,000 views 2 months ago. All right, 142,000 views 10 months ago, and 259,000 views 6 months ago. All right. So let's say we want to use this one here, 259,000 views 6 months ago. All right. We want to model this video here. So first thing I want everyone to notice is the thumbnail. Okay. The thumbnail is very clear. Meditation for beginners. That way, if you're scrolling on YouTube and you see this thumbnail, most people will click this thumbnail, right? So let's click here. And now what I want to do is just go and look at her video, how it starts. I want to look at the background. I want to just look at everything that's here, okay? Because I want to model this. And then I'm going to scroll down to her description, and I'm going to click see more, and I want to see what is she writing, okay? And everything that she puts in here, right? Now, if you pay attention to her SEO score, it's bad, right? It's bad. 40, she gets a 40% score, but she has 427,000 subscribers. All right, this video alone got 259,000 views, so that means that she has a pretty good audience of people that are following her. But YouTube is going to push this video. The more likes that she gets, the more engagement, the more comments. They're going to push this video as far as it can get. Okay, so what I want to do now is get a script, because I don't really know what to talk about and I don't want to spend too much time thinking about it. So here's a little trick that you can use in order to formulate a script for your videos. So all you want to do is just go here to the 3 dots that you see right here on screen, and you want to click this where it says open transcript. Okay. Once you open transcript, it will give you the entire script of this video. So now I want to click the 3 little dots here, click toggle timestamps. Then I can copy this entire script. and paste it in a notepad. And then now after I copy this here and I just go to my notepad here and I paste, now what I can do is start reading through this script, okay? And I can start making adjustments to fit the way that I speak and how I want to give my tips and tricks for meditation myself and deliver that information to my audience. So I'm going to read through it. Hey, everyone, I'm so excited for today's video. I'm really happy to be able to share some of my meditation tips that I have noticed, and how it says here in the comments, okay? This is your very first video of talking about this. So you're not going to have any comments, right? So you want to change this. You want to change what it says. Instead of saying in the comments, you could say that I have noticed since I started meditating however long ago, okay? And that's what you're going to do throughout the entire script. And this works for any niche, any product, any video that you want to make. All you have to do is just go to YouTube, type in the video, the video topic that you want to discuss, okay? You want to pull up a video that has a lot of views within a small amount of time, and you want to come here, go to this 3 little dots of the video, go to open transcript, copy the transcript, paste it into a notepad, and then start changing what the script says. So when you make your video, you could just read from your script and you can make tons of videos in less amount of time. I hope that brought you guys a lot of value. If you need any help with this, feel free to drop it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing all of you in the next video.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling. You